Hello and welcome to this video introducing transformations of functions. Among all possible formulas for functions that we might consider, a small number of them are basic and fundamental. The big idea of this section is, by knowing the graphs of such basic functions as L of x equals x and Q of x equals x squared, it's possible for us to understand the graph of related functions that we call transformations of the basic functions. Indeed, we study three such transformations at this time: horizontal shifts, vertical stretches, and vertical shifts. Let's look at how these transformations impact the graph of a function. If we start with the original graph in dashed blue, we shift it 1 unit left to generate the curve in dashed green. From there, we can stretch the graph vertically by a factor of 2 to get the curve in dashed orange. And finally, shift the graph down 1 unit to get the graph shown in red. One of the powerful aspects of this approach is that it offers insight into the behavior of an infinite family of functions by understanding just a single function's graph along with the impact of several parameters. We'll see that if we have a function y equals f of x and real numbers a, b, and c, we will be able to generate the corresponding graph of y equals a times f of the quantity x minus b plus c, regardless of the values of the real numbers. This is a good example of the power of mathematics. We can understand a large collection of objects by completely understanding one or two really important ones and determining how members of the collection are related to the one or two fundamental ones.